Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
When and how to give eggs to babies. Eggs are a superhouse of proteins, but it is something most parents are skeptical about before introducing it to babies. An egg contains proteins and 13 essential minerals, including copper, zinc, calcium, iron, cholesterol, fatty acids, and vitamins D, B12, E, choline, and folate. When can babies eat eggs? Egg yolk can be included in the baby's diet at 8 months of age, and egg white must be introduced after 12 months. However, we recommend checking with the pediatrician for the perfect time to start feeding eggs to your baby. Egg yolks versus egg whites. Egg yolk contains fat, saturated fat, cholesterol, essential fatty acids, and fat-soluble vitamins and is also high in iron and calcium. Egg white is low in calories and does not contain carbohydrates and fats. Benefits of eggs for infants. Number 1. Digestion and immunity. Eggs help in creating a robust immune system by assisting in cell regeneration. Egg yolks are easier for babies to eat and digest. Egg whites maintain the right sodium and potassium content in the body. Number 2. Brain development. Cholesterol in eggs assists with the digestion of fats and helps produce hormones. Choline in eggs assists with the proper functioning of the cardiovascular and nervous systems. Number 3. Liver function. The sulfur content in eggs helps in the production of keratin and collagen. It also helps to absorb vitamin B12, which is crucial for the proper functioning of the liver. Number 4. Eye health. Antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin are crucial in preventing vision loss, and both are found in egg yolks. Lutein protects the eyes from damage caused by harmful bad lights and ultraviolet light. Test to know eggs are fresh or not. Put the egg gently in a bowl of water. Fresh eggs will sink while the stale ones will float. Egg eating tips for babies. Number 1. Allow the baby time to get accustomed to the natural flavor of the egg yolk. Number 2. Feed only what your baby can take. Do not force feed. Number 3. Do not add sugar or salt to the yolk if the baby is under 1 year of age. Number 4. Feed your baby only hard-boiled eggs. Make delicious egg recipes like scrambled eggs or egg rice for your baby and provide them with the nutrition required to grow healthy and strong.